Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot with OPPO A78 5G. And to do this, we'll need to open the settings first, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here, select gestures and motions and enable swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. It gives us another option to make a full page screenshot. And now we have 2 different options for that. So open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, we're going for settings. Right here, we can press on a volume down key and a power key at the same time to make a screenshot. Then select scroll and it should begin scrolling down the entire page. You can wait through that process if you like, or click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. Click on done at the bottom. And here we have a full page screenshot. Now another way to do it is, which is the option that we just enabled, and simply scroll down your 3 fingers from top of the screen and select scroll, and it should scroll down the entire page, but in this case we were at the bottom of the page, so it has nothing to scroll. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.